In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Forms effectively. Whether you're new to Zoho Forms or looking to deepen your understanding, we'll walk you through the key features that make this tool indispensable for creating and managing powerful forms effortlessly. Let's start by exploring the Forms section, which is the heart and soul of Zoho Forms. Here, you have the ability to create, edit, and manage all of your forms in one central location. With a user-friendly interface, designing forms is incredibly intuitive. You can customize them to your specific needs by adding a variety of fields such as text boxes, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. This flexibility ensures that you can gather the exact information you require from respondents. After creating your forms, organizing and refining them is a breeze, thanks to the editing features available. Next up, we move to reports. This feature is crucial for viewing, analyzing, and exporting your form submissions. Once your form has been filled out, you'll want to dive into the data. Zoho provides comprehensive reports that offer insights into your responses, empowering you to make data-driven decisions. Whether you need to export your data to a spreadsheet for further analysis or review it directly within the platform, this tool makes it seamless. Now, let's discuss tasks, an essential part of managing action items related to your form submissions. As responses come in, certain submissions might require further action or follow-up. Tasks allow you to assign and track these action items with ease, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. It's an effective way to maintain ongoing projects and keep your team aligned on pending to-dos. Managing your team's access is also streamlined with the Users feature. By managing access and roles for your team members, you can control who can create, edit, and view forms or reports. This ensures that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized personnel, protecting your data and keeping your team organized. Approvals is another pivotal feature when you need to create workflows for approving form submissions. Sometimes, forms require a multi-step approval process, and Zoho Forms allows you to set up these workflows efficiently. This feature ensures that responses needing sign-off go through the right channels before finalizing, providing a smooth and traceable approval path. Lastly, we have the Control Panel, where you can configure global settings for your Zoho Forms account. This area is where you can fine-tune your account settings to tailor your experience to your organizational needs. From setting default permissions to customizing notifications, the control panel keeps your Zoho Forms operations running smoothly and optimally. With these steps, you now have a solid foundation to start creating and managing forms effectively with Zoho Forms. Keep exploring and customizing these features to fit your specific projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maximize the benefits of using Zoho Forms.